Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel at Hashtag Trotsky. Well, Santa Claus has been, and I've just been testing my new little layout, evening star set from 2004, which has managed actually to win Lucky Santa on eBay. Yet again, another perfect purchase from Santa Claus, and delivered directly to my front door. Just a little bit before Christmas, but hey ho, you know what I mean. But yeah, got this nice set. Wanted one of these for ages, and managed to pick this one up, but just in pristine condition. So I got absolutely everything with it. It's even got the come with some it's on there, some cufflinks, and there's some on there. They've never been out of the box, I don't think. But yeah, the loco was in absolutely great condition, and just quickly take you over to it now. It's just actually on my main layout, and yeah, I've just done a bit of fettling to it. I just like I do to them all, I just get the I'll just take the engine apart and just clean up all the ring field motor in it, and no bother at all. Just clean the wheels were hacky, must have been not clean since 2004, but once I've done all that, it absolutely ran perfect. All couplings, buffers, nothing missing whatsoever. Beautiful coaches, really happy with it all. So yeah, so let's just have a quick blast around the layout with it. Nice and smooth running out. It's a bit jerky jerky when I got it, but it's perfect. Get a few of those trains running around as well. Pick up a few passengers. Not going to worry about the old spad scenario. He's just got there, just had a authority to pass it at danger by the signaller, so happy days. Driver won't get told off Christmas, you know what I mean. Yeah, it's a lovely thing. I've been wanting one for ages, but you've got to get yourself things, something nice now and again. Sorry for my camera work, I'm just trying to do everything at once as usual. Yeah, so really pleased. I mean, it's 19 years old this year, so really happy somebody's looked after it now. It's going to be looked after even better at the Trotter residence. So yeah, so it's a beautiful little thing. Really happy to own it, and then yeah, go from there. Cheers guys, see what I don't even know what I'm going to buy next. I'm just crazy. That stupid eBay does my head in. But there we go. Happy days, eh? Brilliant. Happy modelling.